Just fought it with extension. Guess I would shoot it at you. I am not the one to mention. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on missing. Money in my kitchen, seeing friends, siblings, niggas, it's my way of living. Just fought it with extensions. Guess I would shoot it at you. I am not the one to mention. Niggas with that dissing, but they won't come on dissing. Money in my vision, big bells, me and Franklin siblings. Where I'm from, bitch, the north side, straight up flipping 50s. Got them hundreds, yeah, I'm in my 20s, but my clip.
What do YouTube? It's your boy Wild Man. I'm back with another video, as you can see. Man, just want to give y'all a quick update on where I've been, what's been going on, why I ain't been posting, etc. and etc. So, as y'all know, if you follow the channel, I was doing the home building thing, in the process of buying the house. The house closing date was supposed to be in April. They ended up pushing it back. So it's supposed to be closing now on May 6th, I think. So in the process of waiting on the house to get built, I ended up going to Boston to do some work. Me and my wife, we went up there to do some work. Just waiting until the house finished or whatever. So we went ahead, paid our rent up here, moved up to Boston, and stayed in Boston for a couple of months until the house got finished. With me being in Boston, I was away from the car, so I couldn't really drop no car content. And so I was just up there, like I said, straight business trip, straight up there for work. Wasn't no partying or nothing like that. It was straight going up there and make some money. Came back to Memphis. But now I'm on another business trip. And as y'all can see by the beginning of the video, I was on the plane. But yeah, so I ended up flying to Cali to take a wrap and a tint class. And so at Right Look. So if you don't know about Right Look, check them out on YouTube, Instagram, rightlook.com. They offer PPF training. They offer what else they got? They got auto detailing. In the auto detailing class, you actually get 3 certificates. So you get the detailing class, you get the ceramic coat, and then you become R1 certified. So you get 3 certificates with that. They got window tint, they got vehicle color change, which is wrap, they got windshield repair, and a couple other things. They sell skid mounts and stuff like that. So if you get a chance, go to rightlook.com, check them out. But yeah, so I flew to Cali to take this vehicle color change class and to take this window tint class. And so I'm gonna give y'all a couple clips, couple pictures. We ended up wrapping a Tesla Model 3 2022, and we ended up tinting Audi. I think it was an Audi S3 2015 or something like that. We wrapped it and we tinted it. So I'm gonna drop the clips and the pictures in the video. Y'all let me know what y'all think.
It's Dolph, man. Real nigga, real nigga, real nigga, real nigga, real nigga radio. Countable was pop. It's all about cool running.
Yellow tape, 448. Bitch, I sound so hard they think I'm selling weight. Yellow tape, 448. Bro, bitch, get me fast. She call you to get a pussy. Mercy, mercy. Ain't beefing about the crown. I don't work at Burger King. Yellow tape, 448. Yellow tape, 448. Early in the morning, 2 bros in a backpack. I ain't had time for breakfast, I'm just trying not to get flapjack. I'm so sick of niggas and they fairy tale raps. You don't smoke kush, you ain't hell blacks. Now tell them go run tell that. They Coca-Cola wouldn't sell packs. Getting money, that's a way of fail. Yo bitch, I'm a flipper, okay, come in and get your well back. My new girl drive me crazy, damn I need my L's back. Shot to the back of the head, or turn that fitted cap to a snapback. Chop him like a lumberjack, get jumped and clap, jumping jacks. Running like a halfback, your favorite artist rap snap. My niggas forgetful, they all snap. My raps all crack, I go nuts with no ball sack. Hold up, whoa, pause that.
This is what real nigga radio's supposed to sound like.
Yellow tape, 448. Bitch, I sound so hard they think I'm selling weight. Yellow tape, 448. Yo, bitch, get me fast. She call you to get a pussy. Mercy, mercy. Ain't beefing about the crown. I
bitch say that that's your main girl. The way I had her last night, ass up in the air. Shit, nigga, I can't tell. 3 O's in my ginger ale. Kush all I inhale. I dropped my college bitch, I'm smelling like weed, she got expelled. More hoes than Denzel, sold 1,000 pounds out the same scale. Stun like I've been selling weight, but guess what? You damn right. Lil' mama so bad, she need an ass whooping. Somebody call the law, cause I just killed that bitch pussy. All I think about is money every time I meditate. And they say I'm killing shit, Mr. Yellow Tape.
Yellow tape,
Yellow tape,
for 48.
Yellow tape.
Bitch, I stunt so hard they think I'm selling weight. Yellow tape, for 48. Yo, bitch, give me fame. She call you to get a pussy ass. Just that young chick shit.
Yeah. Yeah. Kinda bull. Brown. Let the beat ride. I said let that beat ride. Just let it ride.